In this video, I'm going to show you how to compute the mean, median, and mode using Excel. So first of all, I got my numbers already entered into my Excel spreadsheet. And the first thing I want to do is find the average or the mean. So what I do is I click on the cell right below my numbers and I go up here to the formula bar and I click on insert function, that little FX thing. And if it's not there, what you want to look for mean is average. And here it is, you guys, average. So I'm going to say insert function. And it's smart enough to know that, oh, because I was sitting below these numbers, you must mean the numbers above. So here's my average. See it? It's right here, 28.25. So that's how you do average. It's not bad. Mean. How do we do median? It's just as simple. You FX. You click on that little FX. You want to look for median, M-E-D. There it is. You click on it. You say insert function. Again, it's smart enough to know that you must mean the numbers above. And right here you can see the median is 28.5. Okay, now the last is mode. So I'm going to click on that little FX. If it's not there, showing up in your recents, you can type in mode. And I'm going to use mult, which means multi-mode. So you can have more than one mode, because all mode is what number occurs the most, what theta value occurs the most number of times, because you could have some that occur the most, more than one, right? So I'm going to use multi-mode, and I'm going to say insert function. And for some reason, this one isn't smart enough to know that you mean the numbers above. So I'm going to highlight them. Numbers above. So it says A1 colon A8, which means the numbers that are in those cells, A1 to A8. And here it is, you guys. The mode is 35. And if you look quickly at these numbers, yeah, 35 occurs twice. These numbers happen to be in order. They don't have to be in order. And you might be saying, well, that was easy. I could have just looked at it and gotten it. Yeah, but what if you had 1,000 numbers? Do you really want to go through and count up which number occurs the most? Nah, I don't think so. So that's how you do mean, median, and mode using Excel. Hope it helps.